Happy New Year! I'm sure you've made out your New Year resolutions for the year 2024. Things you want to achieve, goals you want to smash, and heights you want to attain. I wish you the best of luck as you seek to attain them. Okay, I'm sure you've heard about vision boards. I think 2024 has to be the year of vision boards because I can't even scroll 2, 3 posts on Instagram without seeing somebody talking about vision boards. I have never done a vision board before. Yes. Yeah, maybe I've had some pieces of paper, some pictures on my wall, but never actually sat down to do a proper vision board, just like people always talk about. This year, I decided to sit down and find out what this whole vision board thing, and is it really, really important? I found out that a vision board is very important. What is a vision board? It's simply a pictorial representation of your goals and your vision for a particular period of time. And here's why it is important. The human mind loves to attach pictorial representation to things for it to take it seriously. So when your mind begins to imagine yourself in this place that you want to be or with this thing that you want to get, it makes it easy for you to achieve it. Even the Bible talks about writing your vision and making it plain. I'd never seen it in this light before, and because I've seen the light, I want you to see the light too. I'm going to be creating my vision board and showing you exactly how you can create a vision board virtually, and even if you want to do it physically. So come with me, let me create a vision board that will show me what I want to achieve in 2024. Let's get right into it. Okay, the first step is to write out your goals. Write out everything you want to achieve in a notepad or Google Doc. I'm using my notepad in my phone to write out my 2024 goals. Now, make sure these goals are smart. They're specific, they're measurable, they're achievable, they're relevant, and they are time bound. Don't just write vague goals. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to write some goals that are not exactly my 2024 goals the way I would have normally put them. But I'm just going to write them out. So take your time, think of what you want to achieve in 2024, what you want to see, what changes you want to make, lifestyle, health, finance, business wise, productivity wise, relationship wise. And then the next step is to get pictorial representations of your goals. I would use Pinterest, and I would also recommend Pinterest. It's an app you can get on your app store, or you can just go on your Chrome browser and search for Pinterest. Now, once you get the app, they'll ask you to sign up or log in. I prefer to sign up with my Google account. Do that, and immediately an account will be created for you. So all you have to do right now is go in there. You're going to see lots of pictures. Now you want to search for the exact pictures that you want. So I'm going to click on search. Below you see search, and then you type everything that represents what you wrote. If you wrote a car that you're going to buy, look for the name of the car, search for it, and download the picture. So this is me searching for every single thing that represents what I want for 2024. I'm going to do all of that, save all these pictures. Now note that you can also do this physically, like you want a board on your wall. Once you save these pictures, all you have to do is send them to somebody who has a printer, and the person will print them out for you. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to just be doing it virtually. So you can have the virtual version and also have the physical one that is on your wall that shows you your vision. Every day you wake up in the morning, you just look at it and you remember what you have to do. This motivates you and keeps you going. It reduces all forms of lack of motivation. So try and get a vision board for yourself, at least for the first quarter of the year. I'm downloading videos of a workspace that I want to get this 2024. Everything I want, I'm just going to download the pictures and I'm going to put them in a vision board. This should take you less than 5 minutes and you are done. Save these pictures directly to your gallery or your camera roll, and then the next step is to go onto Canva so that you can get these pictures into a vision board. Yes, you can also add quotes. So if there are some quotes that you love, I'm also going to add some quotes that I love that actually are going to motivate me to get the work done and also drive me closer and closer to my dream life. All right, so we are done downloading the pictures that we want. The next thing is we're going to open Canva. Canva is another free app that helps you do graphic designs and videos using free templates. So all you have to do now is search for vision board. Once you type vision board in the templates bar, you're going to see lots of templates that look like vision boards. All you have to do is edit, plug and play, and you are good to go. So I'm just going to scroll through, look for a one that I like, and I just pick this one, and we're going to edit it. All I have to do is click on each image. For example, this person has pictures of food, rings, and some things I don't really get that are not exactly on my vision board. So I'm going to have to change all these images to suit what I want. So I'm going to click on them and click on replace at the bottom of my screen. For everyone I click on, I'll click on replace and replace it with my own picture. So I'm going to replace all the pictures, all the quotes, all the text with the things that I want on my vision board. I think this would be a good time to tell you to give this video a thumbs up if you really like it, and of course join the family by subscribing to this channel. It's a lot of knowledge, learning, and fun on this page. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on the arrow that goes downward at the top of the canvas screen, and it saves my design straight to my camera roll or to my gallery. I use this as my lock screen, so every day I open my phone I see it first, or you can print yours out and put on your wall. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video.